Okay, here's some quick instructions on how to use this test version of Apply to Clubs. If you find any issues with it, let me know so I can get it updated. First thing you do is just type the club numbers that you want to apply to in the top here. So I got 5 clubs typed in there, and then you just open up whichever accounts you want to apply from, and you can check or uncheck some of these boxes. Some of these clubs might have applied already to some of these accounts. Once you're ready, just click the traffic light here to start. First thing you'll notice for each account, one at a time, is that the account name here will change. It will read the club ID, fill it in there, and the reason why it does that is because it's going to produce a summary at the end, which you can just copy and paste to via Skype or email to your agent, so then he can get the clubs updated for you. When you start, you just need to make sure that this menu is at the bottom. It doesn't matter what screen you're on. You can be on any of these screens, but this menu button needs to be shown at the bottom. Otherwise, it will just miss out that account and go on to the next one. So press start. Starts on account 1. Reads the ID. The ID has been filled in. Starts with the first club. It will join the club and change that yellow ball to green to show that it all's good. Now this next account is an incorrect account number, 222222. So it will find it doesn't exist. It will make it a red ball to show there's an error. It also unchecks these boxes underneath so that the other accounts won't waste their time trying to apply for it. Goes on to the next one. Yellow means it's working on it. So now it's about to turn to green. This next club, the next club 880808, it will apply for it under account 1 here, but the other accounts are already belong to that club. So when they get to it in a minute, they'll just skip over it. They won't apply to it again. So that's account number 1 done. So now it goes on to account number 2. So when it gets to this one, 880808, it will find it's already there. It waits for a second just to check, then it skips it, moves on to the next one. So it's working fine on my PC from the test I've done. It also works if it's in tablet mode. See, account number 3 here is actually in tablet mode. So it adjusts, and the PokerMaster will work and still apply for the clubs whether it's in tablet mode or mobile mode. Just does the same thing again. That's about the gist of it. I'll speed up the rest of this video, the next few seconds to the end, and then I'll show you the summary bit. Okay, so it's been through all the clubs, all the accounts. There's a summary that's produced here in the bottom. You can scroll through it if you want to, but probably all you need to do is click on the clipboard here, and it copies it into memory, and then you can just go to Notepad, Skype, or anywhere else and paste, and it prints up a summary of everything you've done. Just one other thing, if you are unable to type in the club numbers here, if it won't let you type in, if it won't let you type it in into PokerMaster, then just at the start, then you just push clear, and you can type it in, okay, or you can just copy and paste it from somewhere else using the mouse. Give me a shout with any questions, and if you come up with any problems, as there likely will be in this first version, let me know so I can update it. Thanks.